Today we are officially unboxing the Propre Value Pack, which is the Skoosh and Skoop products. So let's see what's inside the pack. So it's a nice little welcome pack. And this is the Skoop Soak, which is a pre-wash laundry soaker, stain remover. And this is the Skoop White, which is your laundry detergent. And the Skoop Crystal, which is your dishwashing detergent. This is the Skoosh Cleanse, which is the hand wash. The Skoosh Shoo, which is insect spray. Skoosh Sparkle, which is your dishwasher rinse aid. Skoosh Soft, which is your washing detergent. The Skoosh Multi, which is your multi-purpose spray. It's a super concentrate. And Skoosh Fresh, which is your disinfectant. What you also get in the pack is your reusable bottles. So you don't have to reintroduce any new plastic. Like, all the products are a super concentrate, so you're not actually paying for water as you would with store-bought. You actually mix it. You fill it up to whichever line suits your purpose, and then you fill the rest up with water. You also get the cleaning cloths. So you get the 2 bamboo sponges, you get the cloths, the window cloth, everything in there that you need to use the products. All Propre products come with a 90-day money-back guarantee, are Australian made and owned from Australian ingredients. The bottles are recyclable, and $1 from every product goes towards protecting our rainforests. So click the link below to order your Propre today, or ask us any questions about the Skoosh and Skoop products.